So what's up? Welcome to Tobes Trades. It is 120 Wednesday, 2021 Inauguration Day. And today, wow, the market was super hot. Spiders up 1.5 and Nasdaq up 2%. Right? Let's look at the QQ chart. The Qs. We are exactly at the top of our channel here. Right? We had the correction for last Thursday, Friday. And then this week, we bounced out all the way from the bottom to the top of the channel. Tomorrow, if everything looks good, we could break out of this channel and the entire market could continue to even rally further. And what led to today's, the Nasdaq's 2% gain? Mostly Fang. Yes, baby. Fang is back. F-A-N-N-G. So starting with N, Netflix, wowza. 17% day. 17% day. Just on Tuesday, we were all the way down here at 490, and now we're at 590. Pretty much $100 in a day, right? And guess what? It also broke through the all-time highs today. So I drew this blue line earlier, and guess what? Market open, it tested it, failed, and then it held 560 level and continued to battle through this key level throughout the rest of the day. If you traded with me, you know that we traded this breakout and held all the way up here and sold here. So, what's next, right? So, Netflix obviously is not going to go up anymore. It's already went at 17%. What's next is Amazon, right? The other member of the Fang. So, it's been in this consolidating triangle for about half a year already. Ever since what, like June, July? It's been consolidating here. There was a false breakout a while ago. However, that obviously got sold off and sold into. However, now we broke out of this triangle again, and this time with strength, together with the rest of Fang. So, if today's rally is not just because of inauguration, right? If it continues into tomorrow, and look at the Qs tomorrow. If the Qs break out of 325, we could see further continuation in Fang, and our best candidates in Fang right now is Amazon. Amazon is a giant. It is in everything, and it's been consolidating for half a year. And it has not yet broken to new highs. If you look at Netflix, right? Let's look at Netflix. Wow, already broke new highs today. Let's look at Apple. Apple already had a decent pounds a while ago. Let's look at this. Right? Where is this? Nope, that's not Apple. This is Apple, okay, right? So it already had a bounce a while ago. And now it's near its highs still. But Amazon has the most room to run. Let's look at Amazon. It's amazing. We're still down here. There's so much more to make up. And MACD's about to go positive once again, together with the rest of the Fangs. So Amazon is our number one watch for tomorrow if the market rally continues. So next on our list, number 2, we have Save. The Spirit Airlines. If you see, I actually hold a very small position of Spirit Airlines right now. I'm up about $200. Right now, post aftermarket is down like a whole percent, but the volume is like what, 1, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm up around 250 today. I'm holding a very small. I already took lots of profit, but I'm still holding 250 shares overnight because I expect a further break. Let's look at the daily here. So we traded Spirit Airlines and the rest of the airlines. AAL specifically was in our last video, but we went with Spirit instead because Spirit is mainly low cost airlines, very low cost, and thus they're the first ones to bounce back. Okay, I don't know why this is not working. They were the first ones to the first airlines to bounce back from COVID because United, Delta, these all have international flights, and that make up a big percent of their revenue. And international travel is still a huge issue. As we see, we went back to plus 200 because after hours is bullshit. So Save is going to be the first to bounce. It's going to be the leading indicator, right, for the rest of the airlines. And we traded it all the way since the downward trend break on the MACD going positive. And now we're ready to break through the previous highs again. So again, if the market conditions are very good tomorrow, we can expect a huge gap up. Well, not gap up, but breakthrough of the previous highs. Around the key level to watch is around what, $28. If it breaks that, we can look to continue even all the way up to even $30. So that's good. And yep. And let's go next. Next we have TTD. This is one of our favorites. We have made so much money. Okay, I don't know why my chart is fucking up. Okay, it's been one of our favorites. We've been trading it all the way from the 400 levels. We traded it all the way down from the correction to the 400 level all the way up to about 600, and then we sold off here. We missed a gap up, but that's okay. And now TTD has retested, right? It has flushed along with the rest of the growth stocks, and it has flushed, right, since it's a $900, $1,000 highs. And now it's bounced at its gap up around this level, and it's held going through all this consolidation, right? It's been consolidating for about a month now. And with great market conditions and the rest of the growth stocks already recovering, for example, let's look at Chewy, right? Well, for Chewy's case, it's still not ready to recover, but let me find something else. Let's look at Piton. Right? Piton already started to recover, and it went down again, but now it's recovering again. But TTD has never recovered since the end of January, right? It's been going through this huge consolidation phase, and now it's trying to break its highs after the gap up. This is a huge level to watch. And Mackie also on the verge of going positive. However, also if you look, after hours is at 1.5%, and the volume is not even that low. So keep in mind, watch the 820 level, 810, 820 level, and see if that level breaks tomorrow. And if it does break, expect for a huge recovery. There's a lot of room to make. TTD is a very good company, right? Fundamentals never stopped, and just look at the wiki, guys. TTD it just keeps going up. Just keeps going up all the way from what? 2016 it was only $20. Now it's $800. And this is a very great company, fundamental wise, and now it's ready to bounce. Let's look at this long-term trend line here. Let's draw this. Bam, right? So this is not saying 100% that TTD will go up tomorrow, but I'm just saying in the near term, look for a break. Look for a breakout, right? So around the 820, 815 level, right? Around this level, once it breaks, it's gonna break hard. So be ready to catch that bullish engulfing candle. Remember to scalp that. And next on our list is CI, Cigna. Cigna, we've been watching this for a while now. It broke out its downward trend, channel, right? We treated it here. However, when it tried to break the previous highs, it got rejected. However, the rejection was very, very small and on very low volume. As you see, the green candles are all on big volume, while the red candles are consolidating red candles. They're not flush red candles because they're on very low volume. They're just trying to take profit, consolidate, make sure the stock doesn't go up too fast and exhaust, and also end up with the stock crashing down, right? So this is a very beautiful break, and today it went up 4%, right? So if the market conditions are, again, good tomorrow, and also today it was bigger than average volume as well. So this is a classic reversal pattern, and on the verge of breakout is a very good candidate for tomorrow. And also, keep in mind, let's look at Futu. Futu had a very, very similar setup pattern. And guess where it's at now, right? So for Futu, it also broke out of this downward channel, right? However, it did not reject. When it hit the previous highs at 51, it did not reject. Instead, there was a bullish engulfing candle breakout up 20%, right? This is SPAC. This is a special holdings company. And CI is a different company, but these type of stocks, large caps with low float, trade very similarly, right? So in the short term, we can expect similar setups. So if this candle didn't reject, it would have gone up a big percent. Probably not 20%, because there's also like hype around Futu being a SPAC and all, because SPAC is on fire. It's on fire now, right? Everybody wants to buy special holding companies. But Cigna also looks very good. If market conditions are green tomorrow, expect this to break through the 230 level, and once it breaks through, it's all clear skies from then on. So that's a very good breakout candidate today. And today's 5-minute chart also looks beautiful, right? Just market open, retested the lows, and then bam, just keeps going up, keeps going up, keeps going up, keeps going up. And it closed above the previous highs as well. Very good sign. And lastly, we have Paycom, PAYC, right? So Paycom is a very great company. We traded it all the way from 100 when it was 2017, 2018. Let's get the weekly. Yeah, around this level. Yeah, I remember. It was a cup and handle breakout, so that was good. And now, I can get again, right? So even though right now we're in a downward channel, right? As you see, bam, 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 bam. Right now, remember to always, most of the time, trade with the market direction, right? So right now the trend is downwards. However, we do see a near-term bounce signal. This is the key support level, right? So previously it tried to bounce, and it did bounce, right? So if you did catch this bounce, this is also a reversal candle. So if you did catch this bounce, the next day you would have made 2%, even higher if you sold, if you caught the breakout. Remember, we're only trading the 5-minute candle. We're in and out within like 10-20 minutes of the day, right? So if you sold at the highs here, you would have been up 3%, 4%. Same thing today, right? This is also a reversal candle, reversal signal, right? So we have a bearish engulfing candle. We have a doji with small wicks on both sides, and then now we have a green bullish engulfing candle. That's at least 50%, preferably about like 2/3 the red candle, but it barely hit that. It stopped at resistance, right? Remember this level, resistance? However, if market conditions, again, are good tomorrow, because this recent flash correlates with the volatility in the markets. But now that the inauguration is over, there's less volatility. If Biden doesn't come out and do any anti-competitive, anti-business like policies, market should continue to go up tomorrow, and we could see a reversal for Paycom as well. Paycom, if it does break this level, expect to go up to 422, 423. That's the next level to watch. So in between this level, remember to scalp between 411 and 422. That's $10 per share. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Remember to also the green volume as well, right? Even though today's it didn't go up as much as the previous bearish engulfing candle, today's volume was huge, right? It's one of the highest volumes in recent history since what? Since the freaking March to blue skies starting from October. But yeah, so prepare to buy Paycom tomorrow if it does break this level. Remember, it could always fade, but take profit. Take profit. Most of my profits are made within the first 30 minutes, an hour of the trading day. It might fade, but sell before it fades. It's that easy. All right, guys. So that's it for the top 5 stocks to watch tomorrow. Breakout stocks. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you found this video helpful. See you tomorrow.